out here in the rain setting this thing up because it is raining. But okay, one thing, I've got to do this like 10 more times because wow, that took a long time to do. But right now I'm looking at whether I should hook this tarp. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if I can hook this tarp right here with this. I've got it hooked to my hammock line. And we can get in here and take a look. Let me fix this cap. Dang it. Sorry about that, y'all. I have to do this over. Just hook it to that. What I've got in here is my jungle helmet. Jungle hammock. 8 foot long. And got my bag hanging from my hammock right there with a Loop Alien. Love them. Love Loop Alien there. And that's a drip loop right there, but I still drop that part down, tie this off, and all that's under here, so it shouldn't be able to drip in here. And I got my ridge line with my bag with all my stuff in the bag. I added some cam snaps to it so that I can snap it closed. And I just kind of carry it in my backpack like that with my electronics and everything else in it. And it works right in the rain pan here. See what that is? Yep. Right in the rain. You can use a pencil to write in the rain too, I think. All right, let's see. Now, I've also got it hooked over here. Got it with the Loop Alien, holding everything up. I got to tie this up so that it doesn't drain. But there's an actual break right there in the middle of the Alien, so that should be a drip loop for it. And I got it in the tree with my, right here, one of these soft shackles that I've put together here. So it's all, there's nothing mechanical, and that's a shackle, a rope shackle that comes apart with my tree straps. And one thing I had to do, I had to put it way up in the tree because these trees are too far apart. So what that does is I have to put the straps up higher to get the right 30-degree hang coming down. So I'm not sitting on the ground, basically, is what happens. Okay. Hi. I made it out here to, I knew it was going to rain. It's about 8:30 now up here. And so I came out in the front yard, hooked my whole setup to a couple of trees. And I'm out in the rain. I want to see how well this tarp and hammock setup is going to work. You can't see much. Got it staked out at there. See it dripping over there. And looking on this side, I got my bag hung from my ridge line inside here. I've got, this is another bag with all my electronics and medicine, not medicines, I don't have any, just first aid kit. I've got my, I managed to hang my shoes from a bungee cord off the ground, and my raincoat and my rain pants, because I used those while I was out here. I'll let you know if I get swamped out or not.